Today, we're diving deep into Google's latest flagship, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Is it a worthy successor to the Pixel 8 Pro, or does it fall short? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the design. Google has taken a bold step with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, opting for a completely flat frame. While it gives the phone a more modern look, it's a departure from the slightly curved edges of its predecessor. The larger footprint might be a concern for those with smaller hands, but it does offer more screen real estate. The display is a visual masterpiece. The 6.8-inch Super Actua OLED panel boasts stunning colors, deep blacks, and an incredibly smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows, playing demanding games, or simply scrolling through social media, the display delivers an immersive experience. The peak brightness of 3000 nits is also impressive, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's custom Tensor G4 chip. While benchmarks might not tell a whole story, real-world performance is snappy and efficient. The phone handles multitasking with ease and demanding apps run smoothly. Paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM, you'll have plenty of headroom for even the most resource-intensive tasks. Google's commitment to software support is commendable. With 7 years of updates promised, Pixel owners can rest assured that their phones will stay up to date with the latest features and security patches. However, it's a bit surprising to see Android 14 out of the box instead of the newer Android 15. The camera system is a highlight of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The 50-megapixel main sensor captures incredible detail and dynamic range. Low-light photography is a strong suit thanks to night sight, and the 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens offers a wider perspective. While there's no dedicated telephoto lens, the phone's computational photography prowess delivers impressive zoom results. Google's AI-driven camera features continue to impress. Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, and Zoom Enhance are handy tools that elevate your photography game. However, it's important to note that the Pixel 8 Pro already had a fantastic camera setup, and the improvements in the Pixel 9 Pro XL might be incremental for some users. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL delivers solid performance. The 5600 mAh battery comfortably gets you through a full day of moderate to heavy use. While it might not be a massive leap over the Pixel 8 Pro, it's still a reliable performer. Fast charging is also supported, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. So, is the Pixel 9 Pro XL worth the upgrade? If you're coming from an older Pixel model or an Android phone from another brand, the answer is likely yes. The improvements in design, performance, and camera are noticeable. However, if you already own the Pixel 8 Pro, the upgrade might not be as compelling. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is undoubtedly a flagship caliber device that offers a fantastic user experience. It's a testament to Google's commitment to pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. But as always, the best phone is the one that suits your specific needs and preferences. That's all for today's review. Let me know your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro XL in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.